Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing something really exciting. We're going to be designing and building something that moves using force. So, what is force? We learned it last week, didn't we? So, it's the strength or energy that produces movement. So, for example, if you use your strength to pull something really hard, it will move. So, same with pushing, dragging, and so on. So let's look at the things that move with force. A ball, when you push it or kick it, it will roll on the ground. A tire or wheel is used by vehicles for movement. And for example, a bicycle, when you pedal the bicycle, the wheels will spin and will start moving. Tops can be put on its pointy bottom on a flat surface and given a twist and it will start spinning. A bottle can be laid on its side and given a push and it will start rolling on the ground, or you can put it on water and it will start floating. So let's start looking at the shapes of these things that move. A ball, it is similar to a shape of a sphere. So anything that's similar to a shape of a sphere should be able to make movements. A tire is similar to a toroid shape or a circular shape. So anything that's shaped like a toroid or a circle should be able to make movements. A bottle is quite similar to a cylinder shape, so that anything with a cylinder shape should be able to move. A top has a pointy bottom, so it's quite similar to a cone shape. And most probably a cone shape should make movement. So how will we use these shapes to design things that move? So we can find things in our everyday environment, at home, at school, outside, that we can collect and use together to make things that move. So we can design a toy or vehicle using various things. We can use cardboard boxes to design the body of our toy or vehicle. Cardboard boxes, cereal boxes, tissue boxes, shoe boxes, and so on. And we can attach things that move, such as bottle caps, bottles, empty toilet paper rolls, small rubber balls or foam balls, little wheels, old CDs, and we can attach that to the body of our design using sticks, straws, and rubber bands to help the toy or vehicle move. So now we're to the exciting part. We're going to get designing soon. So I'm going to be putting y'all in groups and y'all are going to be discussing among yourselves in groups on what type of design that you would like to make. Draw out the design, list out the things that you may need, and then you can come to the front of the class. And remember, last week we brought in all kinds of recyclable and reusable material. So we'll have all that in front of the class and you can choose the things that you need and you can start designing. So each group you will be given pencils, papers, scissors, glues, and sticky tape. So the few things that you can make is like a car or a train or a pool card or a boat. So there are many things you can make. So let's start. We're going to start our designing now. And I'm going to be walking around among your groups to help y'all or give y'all tips. So let's begin.